from Jamaica. I will be making a yam chicken salad with just a little help from my cousin Gabriel. So, let's go. Hello guys, it's Kardealia and Gabby here. Today we will be making some chicken salad. First, we gather our ingredients. Here we have some black pepper, raisins, browning, oil, onion, mayonnaise, yam, egg, tomato, seasoning, salt, cucumber, and chicken. First, we wash our hands. Now we are going to dry our hands. Okay. Now we wash the chicken. Now we season the chicken. So we are going to add the seasoning. Now we are going to add browning.
Just a small amount for color.
Just a small amount for color.
So much. No, almost there.
Now we are going to add a little salt. Now we are going to mix it in. Okay, now I'm going to wash my hands. Now I'm going to dry my hands.
I'm going to add the yam. Take up the dish. How are you doing?
Now I'm going to cut up the yam.
Add my yam to my boiling water.
Now I'm going to add my yam into the boiling water.
Scratch in. Put it in. Drop it. Wash your hand.
Now I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, so we are going to add an egg into the water and let it boil. Now we are going to add oil to the pot.
Not a lot.
Not a lot, just a little. Then we are going to add our chicken inside the pot.
The one is boiling nicely.
The water is boiling nicely. Okay, so we are going to cover the pot and wait for it to cook. These is called tomato.
These are.
These are called tomato, onion, sweet pepper. So these are called onion, sweet pepper, tomato, and cucumber. So now I'm going to cut the onion carefully. Taking the first bite. Let's grab a piece of everything.